Hey guys, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the multiples of 25. Let's start. Firstly, keep it in mind that the number of multiples of any number is infinite. So we will find only the first 10 multiples of 25. Let's start multiplying 25 with 1. That gives us 25. Multiplying 25 with 2, we get 50. Multiplying 25 with 3, we get 75. Multiplication of 25 with 4 gives us 100. Multiplication of 25 and 5 gives us 125. 25 times 6 gives us 150. Next, if we multiply 25 with 7, we get 175. Multiplication of 25 and 8 gives us 200. Multiplication of 25 and 9 gives us 225. Multiplication of 25 and 9 gives us 225. Multiplication of 25 and 10 gives us 250. So we have obtained all the first 10 multiples of 25, which are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225 and 250. Following the same way, you can find more multiples of 25. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave your comment in the comment box.